Okay, it says we're live, so we must be live. So, there you go. Welcome to the Ancient Outdoor Racing Show. And here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Ancient Outdoor Racing, Ancient Outdoor Racing, Ancient Outdoor Racing. Yeah, welcome to the show, the Ancient Outdoor Racing Show. And we are live on a Friday in New Zealand. About 5, give or take. Give or take. There you go. So, yes, here we are back in the workshop. And what are we doing on this episode?
It's all about the 3D printed self-driving powerboat.
Yes.
Or RC boat, or something that floats in the water autonomously.
Autonomously, yes. So, welcome to the channel. If you haven't seen this channel, what are we doing? We make, what do we do? We do
Lots of different things.
Lots of different things.
Bring you along for the ride.
Yes, and yes, make sure you give this video the old thumbs up and share and comment as much as you want. Cheers.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put these back.
Yeah.
And then we'll start.
Okay.
Just in the background, you can see the K2 Plus CREALITY working nicely in the background on a project coming up. Nick says, hey, bud. Hey, dude. Thanks very much for joining in. We appreciate it. And you can see in the background the K2 is running on a secret project that will be coming onto the channel very shortly. It's got how many more prints to go? It's got quite a few more.
Just the one big one, and then a couple of little ones.
Yes, and then once those ones are done, we can go and start making it, making the episode for you guys. So that's cool.
Yeah.
Yes. Quite a lot of exciting projects on their way, and yes, should be fun.
That's right. So in the background, we've just been adding some water into our makeshift pond.
Yes, we have a makeshift pond. If you saw the live stream about the RC submarine that we made,
the 3D printed submarine that we made. Yeah. So we did a live stream on that, and we're going to do it somewhat similar in this one. We're just testing the drivetrain.
We're checking out the drivetrain and to see if there's any leaks that we don't want to see.
Yeah,
we don't want to see that.
Better test it now.
Yes.
Before we start adding all the flight controllers and all that good stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
There you go. So we thought it was a nice little part.
Was it? That was last week, was it?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, well.
Yeah, last week Tuesday, because FPV parkour or free running came out this Tuesday, and the previous one was that.
There you go. That's a lot of information to take in there. There you go. And thanks so much, Nick, for tuning in. Rock on, brother.
And in the episode we're talking about the FPV parkour. So what was that all about?
It's all about free running, getting those shoes out there. There you go, there's the shoe.
Yeah.
And
so it was our best attempt at free running.
Yes.
Obviously, you know, we're not experts at free running, but you know, we always like to try different things. So yeah, give it a go.
And what we can do, kongs and rolls. I don't think we actually did any forward rolls and
dive rolls
and those sorts of things. No. Anyway, that's it.
So yeah, it was good fun. So we went to a skate park in Monterey there, and we just spent the day just running around and
getting chased by the city.
That's right. So that was,
which one were you using?
So we were using the Beta FPV Parvo 25V2. What a name, right?
There you go. And yes, we're just chasing it around with some custom modifications that we had done to it with some 3D prints and stuff.
That's right. We did that on a previous episode.
Yes.
Which was the Roll-Hockey series. Right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So how does the water look like now?
We're going to check.
We'll just go and check the pond while Richard's doing that. Yes. So there you go, eh? And it's kind of an interesting printer. This particular one behind us, it just goes and changes, and you see the CFS at the top changing between the colors. We've added a bit of red in there. There's a little hint for you there. But yes, what do we say here? Oh yeah, no, it's okay. Yes. Okay, so so the boat that we've been making on the channel is a 3D printed one. It took, I'll just count it, 1, 2, 3, just off camera. What? We're good? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, about 27 pieces to make this particular one. And it was made on the K1, the CREALITY as well.
Right, yeah.
And it was made at super fast.
Just over the other view.
There you go, this camera, that guy.
Right
you point to it.
Right next to the CNC machine.
Right next to the CNC machine. So there you go.
So he's small, but he can do long.
Yes.
And how long did that take to print out there? Off and on. Because you're not going to do it consecutively.
In a while.
A fair while.
For a while, man.
But it took us a lot longer to design it.
Yes, we took about 6 months designing it, just to take your time making it look good for you guys.
Yeah, it's going to look like Miami Vice.
Okay, so
Don Johnson's going to be proud.
So I will pick up the boat. Hang on, let's pick up the boat.
Okay.
Here. Yep. Pick it up, please. There you go. There's the hull that we'll be testing on this episode. Hope you can see it. You know, bring it closer for you.
Yeah, there you go.
There, that's in frame now. Yes.
Yeah, so it's got obviously it's got a drive shaft motor and a rudder hooked up to a servo at the moment. We're going to attach the servo on this. Hopefully, if all goes well, we'll attach that on this live stream, and we're going to adjust the little locking nut there.
The linkage for tuning.
And it has a water-cooled ESC.
Yes, a little bit different to the drone motors, ESCs.
And if you want to know where the water comes from, it actually, as the propeller or boat goes through the water, as it were, at high speed, there's 4 little holes in the rudder. It's a little hard to see, and they get pushed up.
Can you see that? I don't know if you can. But anyway, there's a little holes down the bottom, and they hook the water and push it up the
Push
tube.
it into the tube, and that goes in through the ESC and cools it down. So no air needed, as it were.
There you go. So that way you can button down the hatch, and away we go.
Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see if there's enough pressure to actually force that up while we're testing it today. If all goes well, right?
All goes well. So yes. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take this 3D printed boat out into a pond, and so hopefully it floats.
It's going to do it now, eh?
No, we haven't put it in the water, and
well, no, we did a hull test, and then we
but once we drilled all the holes and stuff, we haven't done that since.
Yeah.
So we're going to test it with you guys. It might be the shortest live stream in history, but if it just sinks,
no, it'll be fine because what we'll do is we'll just do the modifications afterwards, and we can still do the hatch sealing as well.
So yeah, that's what we will be covering on this live stream. We will be getting test the motors. Test the ESC, and
make sure it's going the right direction. The motor.
That would be embarrassing if it was going backwards.
We're going to reverse it, and then add in a water seal, hopefully, a makeshift water seal, so that way when this lid comes on, which I'll grab over here. Here it comes. When this lid comes down, it will make the boat finished. You see?
There you go. It looks nearly finished there, but it's not attached. So we need to do that. And we will do that shortly. So, what kind of motors are you running on this one? Somebody might want to know that.
It's a It's a D3720 to 1800 kV. So fairly large. It's a 4S.
To a 3S.
Fan cooled on the back of the motor.
Yeah, I'll turn the motor, but turn it. But we'll show you that out there.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you want to do? Do you want to grab the laptop and I'll follow you, or how are we going to do it? Because I can't really put it down. What's it?
We're just going to put it in the water and I'll follow you. Okay. Let's go in 1 second. Okay, let's get done.
Should be fun. Should be exciting.
Okay, moving time.
You
want to?
Oh, thanks. Just put it in there. Okay, where we go?
Okay, let's go. Okay, you're looking at the ceiling as I walk along.
There you go. Oh, yeah, that's not one.
Okay, we go outside. Okay.
I need to go a little higher. A little higher?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do that. Another box. There's another box exactly the same height as the other one. So there you go. We're outside. Hopefully you can see us. Hang on, I'll just turn my head around so you can actually see me. Yes. Let me put some sunglasses on so you can see you. There you go. We got a box here, right? There you go. So here we are outside. I think it's outside. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm not sure how. It's quite sunny out here, so
do we need to go higher for them so they can see the water?
Okay.
Hang on, we need to go and get another level. We're going up in the world. We're going up in the world. So we very much appreciate you guys tuning in for this special live stream. A little bit different for you guys, and yeah, hope you enjoy. But yes, nice sunny day out here, and yes, before you know it, we'll pop it in the in the tank, and we will see if it floats and run the motor. Then we'll head back into the website, into the workshop, and start working on it. How was your day there, Nick? Was it a good one? Hopefully it was a great one. You like that? Got it? Yeah. Up. How's that? Better? Is that better?
It's probably as good as we're going to get in this makeshift world. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. There you go.
It might be a little bright, but
kind of the best we can do, really.
Yeah.
But anyway,
I mean,
hopefully
I can put some sunglasses on.
There you go. So, yes, we're just leveling things out here for you guys to get that. Hey, just there on the seat. So there you go. You can kind of see inside the hull here. There you go. Some of the things that we've got sitting there. There's a battery, a LEOPARD power battery, motor, tubing, all sorts of exciting stuff. All the things that we'll need to make this run. How are we getting on?
Okay. Is that cool?
No. See what it does. We're going to try and put some shades on you. Does that look better? Give us a thumbs up if it looks better.
Might need to adjust it slightly. Yeah.
Giving it a sense. That's for sure.
Is that better?
I don't know. Is it better? Hopefully it is. Hopefully the live stream's better. Let us know. There you go. So at the moment we've put Richard's sunglasses on the camera. There you go. Might be good there. Okay, so I'll go around the other side. So
Okay, so we've got the sunglasses on, so he's looking pretty good with his dragons. It's one of the coolest laptops I've ever seen. Okay, no time like the present. Let's dive into it. Okay, so what are we doing?
Oh, come around this way.
Okay, we can jump in.
Hopefully, yeah, I think I can see the screen. Hopefully they can see.
Okay, cool.
Might have to bring it closer.
Okay, so dive into the water. Ideally not dive, but
Yeah.
what are you going to do? You're going to drop it into the back, the stern facing that way with the boat?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. I'll hand it to you, actually.
Okay, go on it.
Hopefully it's all good.
Okay, so far so good.
So, can you see us? Let's have a look. Can you see the boat? Hang on.
It's pretty good. There's no leaks, which is obviously what everybody wants.
No. There you go. Can you see it? But yeah. So, welcome to the tank, makeshift tank. This is the AquaPro
3 meter inflatable to give you a size allocation.
Yeah. So he's got what, like just under 1 meter in length.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's not going to be going too far, but you know, it's something. That's what we could come up with in this short amount of time for live stream. So yes. Good. So hopefully they can see us. Yes. Okay, so what are you going to try, Richard?
Well, try the engine, that's what everyone wants to see.
Yeah.
Or you want to try the servo for the rudder?
Sure.
It actually is interesting, isn't it? Because it actually is, this is the first time actually putting it in the water with all the motors and stuff. So it's interesting how low it is in the back because there's actually a lip, isn't there? Yeah, there's a lip. So it's actually quite good. It fits in the water quite well. On the back,
touching the plane just touches the surface.
Yeah, so yeah, it's actually quite good there. Yeah, sure. We'll try the servo, or should we just go straight to the other?
What would you like to see? What would you guys like to see? Would you like to check the motor, or do you want to check the ESC? Let us know.
That's good.
Okay, for a while. It seems to be floating. So that's pretty cool. I haven't seen any water leaks, so that's something.
Yeah, they can see it. That's good. Okay. Yeah. I think we'll just go straight for the motor. Yeah. You reckon?
Yeah. Okay.
We might as well take a photo too, because that's kind of a first.
Yeah. Take a photo from there. And take a photo from there.
Yeah. I guess we could try the
Try the ESC. Yeah. I'll try the servo. You want a servo?
Okay. So I'll swap them over.
So there you go. We're in the tank right now. But it's floating. So hooray! We already achieved something. There you go. Okay, so we've also makeshift, since we can't bring the power lead over here, so we've just improvised and made a little power supply for the ESC tester. Is it working?
Yeah.
Working? Okay, so we have rudder control, so that's something.
It needs to be attached properly, but yeah, it's working.
We'll do that. We'll attach it later.
Yes. Yeah, that's good. It works.
So it's going right and left. It just needs one little servo at the back. Here you go. So that's good. That's one successful test that we wanted to achieve on Livestream. Done.
Yeah, plug that first, and then we'll plug in the motors, which is really what
we want to check. We want to check those motors. It's quite a sunny day, hence the sunglasses on the camera.
Positive.
Here you go.
Just making sure they're in the right plug.
Yeah.
Yeah, so good.
And what about the ESC twister stuff, the knob stuff? Does that need to be way down? Is that right? Just get that all kosher before we plug it in.
Okay, so plug in the motor, right? And then you plug in the tester. So you plug in the signal second. Okay. You get ready to turn it.
Alright.
Actually, you can do it the other way. Well, it's a good shot anyway.
Good job.
Turn that down. It's a blast. Hold it back so it doesn't come out.
Alright, get ready to turn it down just in case.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Alright, so maybe the ESC. ESC checking on the right configuration. I guess we were using it a second ago. Just we'll readjust for that. Okay, that's a bit of sound. Whoa! There you go, eh? Go straight to
maximum.
Straight to wall. There you go. And it's pushing me forward. There you go. So if I push you back, just leave it at that speed. And I'll let go. There you go. It's got the rudder at the wrong angle, so it won't go straight. Okay, let's try it straight. Ready? And release. And release. Well, it's going forward, so it's working. There you go, eh?
That's great.
That's great. What do you reckon of that? Thumbs up?
Yeah. Want to give it a look?
Yeah. Trying to get you on the wall. Get cavitation.
Oh yeah, and it was getting
Water starting to suck through the
ESC. So that's great.
So yeah, it's just sucking up through the pipe and into it. So there you go. We got 3 confirmed perfect tests completed then.
That's right.
Yeah. There you go, eh? You want to try it again? That's right.
Yeah.
Right. What do you reckon? Hang on, let's see if yeah, no leaks still. It's still good. What do you reckon of that, eh?
That's cool.
Yeah, this is going to be pretty cool when it's fully configured with the ardupilot all rigged into it.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we'll add ardupilot after Livestream. We'll keep working on it, and we'll add fully autonomous self-driving to your waypoint missions. Waypoint missions, yes. That's the plan for this one, and we'll work on that. It's pretty cool. Is it to the right? I think so. Yeah, I'll just leave it slow.
I can give it a little look.
Okay, give it a little look in 3, 2. it's only like 1% throttle. There you go, eh? So it's all working and no water leaks. So there you go. What do you reckon?
And the ESC cooling.
And the ESC cooling working. So that's great.
Like I said, in terms of water testing, maybe we can test them later on.
Yes, we can
Possibly. But I think now we can test and we can move into work.
Yeah. What do you guys reckon?
I think so.
What do you guys reckon? Let's go away. There you go.
Nice. Okay, so like the.
So what we'll do is we'll head back into the workshop, and yeah, we'll go and do a bit of work on them. Pretty cool. They work brilliantly. Okay, cool.
Okay, so boat goes out.
Right. Yep, that goes out.
Awesome. No leaks.
No leaks. That's what we want.
Okay, he's off.
So there you go. That's 50% there, and then we're going to go and jump into the workshop and go and do that the next one. That's cool. What did you guys reckon? Do you like it? Oh, we'll wait for Mitch to come back. Hang on. Let's go. Where'd you have it at the ceiling? There you go. So we're moving. Here we are in the workshop. There you go. So once we've doesn't really need the shades anymore, I don't think. But we'll keep the shades there so we can work on them a bit. There you go. We'll bring it back.
What'd you think of that? That was pretty cool. That was a great test.
Yeah, it was successful. It's what you want, right?
Totally.
Yeah.
Yeah, and feel free to comment. Yeah, this is pretty. It's a pretty low key kind of gig. So just feel free to interact. And yeah, it's all good. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to maybe I'll get a towel and dry them off. You can do that, and then what I'll do is we'll bring them up here on the desk. I think so you can see them. Otherwise, it's a bit one side. Yeah, I'll bring them up here. Hang on a sec. You got that towel there? Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, it did quite well, didn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. So what did you guys get up to this week? Hopefully you had a great one. We did. We got lots done. What do you reckon, Richard?
Yeah, that was cool. Yeah. Lots.
Yeah, lots done. And there's never enough time of the day that's in it down for. Okay, seems to be going good. That's good. Oh, I'll just grab the mount. Hang on. Foam. There you go. A bit of foam there. Should be all good. We're away from electronics, so we're all good. Yeah.
Nice. It's a little damp, but I think you'll be okay.
We'll tilt them so you can kind of see what we're doing. Right. Bit of a tilt. Maybe one bit of foam here, I think. In that way they can see what we're doing, but it doesn't roll off.
All right. So that's cool.
There you go. Okay, so what part do you want to work on first, Richard? Do you want to glue down? I was thinking gluing down the servo that kept moving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay,
do that. To glue that down. Yeah, glue him down, and then we'll attach him properly because he seemed like he's in the wrong setting. Yeah, we might have to test that at the same time while we're doing the other one. So I'll set that up while Harry's doing that. Just got a little ESC servo checker for these kind of things. It's a great little nifty little tool to have, rather than getting all your
Go and get all the gear out.
yeah. You don't need all that just yet.
Not yet.
You will do, just not yet.
And the ardupilot side, is that coming along with you? It's coming along, isn't it? On this side of this build.
Yeah, we're just refining the GPS and stuff.
Getting the correct wiring and doing all the same stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It'll be a great series to do this one.
and send it on its way.
Miami Vice is always a cool series or film. So
Yes.
it's always good.
It's pretty cool.
Okay. Try to get them centered.
So yes, we're just adjusting the little rudder at the back over there,
Oh, yeah.
and then we'll put a grommet in. Oh, we need a grommet. We'll get that.
Yeah. Just check to see if it's. But it's quite.
Moves quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to plug them there. We might have to adjust them at a later date, but for now, that's good enough. Get it at least about halfway in there. Yeah. All good.
Okay, so we can get the grommet.
So that little gizmo works quite well. It's great it didn't leak
Yeah.
as a personal achievement.
Well, you don't know, right?
You don't know until you test it. Rick says, "Hi guys," so we can say back, "Hi." Thanks for joining.
Hey, dude, thanks for joining us. We're just in the pond, and we put it back inside. But don't worry, if you're joining us, we will go back to the pond later on.
So we just did a little water test, and it's going great.
It doesn't leak. Hooray!
It doesn't leak. Yeah. So we just tested the motors, the ESCs, and we tested the water cooling feature in the ESC. Yeah, so it's good.
Doesn't leak, and the motors do spin the correct direction.
And the correct direction. So now we're going to work on the
servo,
the rudder. Yeah, might as well get it done. I think you're just going to add what, a bit of hot glue.
Yeah, a little bit of hot glue, and then I was thinking about buttoning down the hatch itself.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, what do you reckon?
No time like the present.
We've got the drill on standby.
This was really just a good excuse just to get onto this project. Otherwise, we'll leave it be, and then we'll work. We've got so much other stuff going on, so it was good to do this live stream just to force us to do it.
There you go.
I'm so busy. I've got phone calls going in.
Sorry about that. That's all right.
We'll just have to call that person back later on. Right?
Cool. Okay, so
Plug this in.
I'm not sure if you've made a boat before, but the way you do it is, yes, well, that's the way we did it. We printed it all in 3D printing parts, and then we found electronic parts and drive shaft and connected it all up.
Rick says, I have so many almost complete projects that it should be. Yeah, well, we're
on the same boat.
Yeah, I think everybody's
literally. It was a pun.
Yeah.
Very adaptive.
Yeah. No, you gotta strive to finish them at least.
Hey, you want to put that in? So
yeah, sure.
Lose it. It's just a little grommet screw, so we don't want to really lose that one.
I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, little Allen.
Oh, do you want to put some thread lock on it so we don't lose it?
Yeah, it's probably a good idea, right? When it's going Mark 1 through the water. So what do they reckon that this particular motor and ESC output would be? Around 70 kilometers an hour on the water?
70 kilometers?
Yeah. So just think about that. 70 kilometers of water on the water.
Autonomous.
And then we're gonna slap on a whole lot of batteries to give it massive range.
Well, that's it. That's the plan. That's
the plan anyway. And we checked it out for battery capacity earlier on, and it was no, you're good. It's not like a plane where you gotta worry about weight or a drone where you gotta calculate it. It's just just load it up, man. You're good.
Yeah, that was one benefit. Yeah.
Actually, speaking of power boats or offshore vessels, a cousin of ours, he used to race them, so he was like a professional. Yeah, he's like New Zealand champion, offshore power boat specialist. I guess you'd say, driver, skipper. That's the right word. It's about racing offshore person now, right? But yeah, no, it's good to go. It's good to go fast, right? Why not?
Yeah,
because if you're going fast, you'll last.
Can you show that?
Yeah.
Hopefully, a couple of words.
Yeah. Okay, so it's just adding a bit of thread locker on that.
Mr. Happy says, "Hi guys, hey, welcome back, my friend. Cheers, we appreciate it." So yes, and we're just putting about a thread locker on this fella.
We don't want it coming off.
We don't want it coming off at Mark 1. So yes, and the motors do turn over.
We just checked that very recently.
Yes.
Minutes in fact.
Yes, in the pond. Yes. And I just put some thread locker on, so that should hold him in place.
Yeah, should hold him in place. And what have we been up to this week, guys? You know what we've been doing?
Making stuff.
Making stuff. The K2 in the background behind me, he's flat out making an upcoming one-of-a-kind build that we know people will like.
Well, I hope they do. I hope they do.
No, they will.
Oh, okay, well, it's nice and common. But yes, we think you'll like it. So,
yeah,
yes.
And that's well, we won't say what it is, but we can give you we're going to use multicolor printing to a whole new height.
Yes, there you go. That's quite a good hint. There you go. Okay. So, well, hot glue gun's nearly ready.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, he's not too bad. Okay, so you're done with him?
At this stage.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. I'll just pull them out so we can get them. How do you ask him how they put this on? Are they easy? How do they fix this?
Rick says this week I designed a tray for under the K2. And I put up some new shelving in my print room. Whoa, cool. Gotta be done.
Gotta be done. It's epic.
Was it those, what kind of shelving was it? Was it the metal rack ones? Like, something that you might see
kind
on,
of like wood, like
yeah. Because you're basically, I'm saying, is it like, traditional, or is it more like modern, like modern Tokyo Drift kind of level style?
Yeah. That is. Yeah, cool. So, hot glue gun.
Both are cool styles in their own right.
Yeah.
What do they call it? Urban something? Urban is known.
Yeah, urban sheep. I'm not sure. Urban industrial.
Yeah, urban industrial. Wood. Okay, very cool.
Yep.
Great look.
Yeah. Well, they say stylish and functional.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that K2 for sure.
Yeah. What kind of projects have you performed, I guess you'd say?
What have you made on it?
What have you made on your K2? It's pretty cool, though. Like, the build side's awesome. We're liking the build side.
Yeah, we're not hating it, that's for sure.
Yeah, no, that's cool. I've got any good things to say about that guy. Not to diminish the other littler one.
Oh, well. They are ultimately good also.
Yeah.
But the K1's been running as well a lot too. He's been working around in the background.
The K1, yeah. That's right. So yeah, after finishing this build, the K1's been on for the next build.
Yeah, well, he made this one, so yeah.
Yeah. So was it 27 prints later?
Yeah, it's not bad. A few spools. A few.
Yeah, the amount of spools is no issue.
Yes, and luckily we have good sponsors of the channel, KIWIFIL, supplying us with those.
That's right, MARVLE.
Thanks very much for that.
MARVLE 3D and CREALITY themselves. That's good.
Yes, couldn't do without all of you.
Thanks very much.
Rick says the last couple of days I've
been printing parts
for the multi-board system to cover one of my wall.
Nice.
Very cool. Nice. That's always good when a plan comes together. I think I just plagiarized 80. But very cool. I like it. It's always good when yeah, it's one of those things when you're making something. It always feels to me like I'm achieving something. Like when you get to sleep or something, you're working on something else.
It is quite a cool feeling that even though you might be asleep, but you're still
making something,
still progressing with the world.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, here we go, Richie.
Yeah, all good. Yeah. Okay, let's test.
Okay, so we're testing the servo or the rudder. Sorry, the rudder.
Okay, so I just glued that down and see how that responds.
Is it dry?
Should be.
Yeah, we don't want to knock it off. You see that? You see that, guys? Hey, it's alive! There's a servo moving. No movement out of the servo. So that's good. That's what we don't want that that glue falling off. What do you reckon? It might not be perfectly straight though. Nice, says Rick. Cheers, brother.
Yeah, we might have a bit more right than we have left, but that's okay. We can change that in.
Well, I can move it now as well. Yeah, really.
Get our alignment correct.
I
don't know, but it might be fine because you have to change that and on this. Right?
Oh no, just change it now.
Change it now, man.
Change it now, don't be lazy, man.
Nah. Yeah, it's a bit more left than right.
Okay. Before that thing runs out, well, there you go. Keep it on.
Okay.
Keep it on. Yeah, I think that's the right one. I could be wrong. I'll be going. There you go. So there you go. And what are we going to do? So once we've tested that, yes, we're going to start doing some inserts around here to keep that canopy, I guess call it canopy down, and then what, pop it back in the water? Yeah. Test it. Bit of play.
Still a bit more left.
Okay. Just adjust that.
Just it now. I guess it's better to do it now then.
Yes. That's coming along well. What kind of colour did we go with? We went for a classic as Model T. Henry Ford said we went with the only colour available. Black. Of any colour, what did he say? It was, I can't remember the official quote.
Every colour is available.
As long as it's black, you can any colour. I think that was the quote.
Yeah, that's good.
We're good?
Okay, we're good.
We're centered.
We're centered. We're zen. Okay, so you unplug that. That's good.
Yep.
Nice unplugging. I'll just tighten that up a little bit more just in case.
Yeah.
So that means we can check that later on. That's awesome. That's great. Okay, so we've done that.
So servo's in, and what do you reckon? Get the drill out? What's it?
Hey. Yeah. These ones.
What do you reckon? Get the
We're going to turn that soldering iron on.
You want the soldering iron?
If we're going to do the hatches, yeah. We're going to sink in all those bolts. The nuts, sorry. We've got 6 bolts and stainless steel. So hang on, there we go. There to put it. So one's a nut and one's a bolt. Do you say bolt and nut, or do you say nut and bolt? Different parts of the word, like is it Australia? No, the UK they talk about fish and chips, but I think in the UK they call it chips and fish. Yeah, sure. I think it's the other way around.
Can't never get wrong with that. No. And we also put pinstripes on the side if you look really closely. We went to the paint shop and got some blue, hit of our electric blue.
That's right. Fries. Okay. Fish and fries. Fish and fries. Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Fish and fries.
Okay, that's what we need. So the soldering iron heating up, or in this case, the plastic iron hot rod is heating up, and
okay, so we need a drill. We need to drill the sucker.
Drill the sucker, and we'll need.
I'll get a drill.
Yeah, we've got a ruler. We're just going to wing it. Do you want the big ruler? I'll get the 1 meter.
Okay. Oh, all right. We'll get this done. That was cool, man. Can you bring that the battery out for the drill? Everything's all over the show because we set up for something else. But it's okay.
Okay, there you go. Classic 1 meter ruler. There you go. What is it in? Battery. It was made in. Where we go? Inches. A long time ago. There you go. It's got inches and more inches. Not really helpful because we don't use inches. But anyway, it's straight. Good enough.
Okay, so what do we need to do?
Okay, so what I was thinking is just do a consistent one here.
So you're going to count this thing, huh?
Yeah, we're going to line them up. The best way to do it. One and just go, put it on top.
Yes.
Put the lid on, and then.
Oh, so put the lid on, and then what? Do 2 and then 2.
Yeah,
so 1 bolt, and then put the bolt in.
No, just make the hole.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So a hole in the top, right? Hole in the top, yeah.
And then the nuts on the sink. You kind of sink the nuts after.
Yeah, but put the bolt in after you're done, right?
Okay. You get the soldering iron and go chink, 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 right through the lid at the same time.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Is that probably the best way?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
So cool.
Or are you going to draw it? Yeah, draw it.
I'll draw it.
Yeah. And then we'll make the soldering iron make it look a bit better.
Yeah, take these down so it doesn't move.
That's a good idea. I've got some masking tape. Getting prepared. There you go. Okay. The battery's not plugged in, right? No, we're good.
Don't want to drill that. ESC's in the middle, so.
We should be.
As long as we don't drill over here,
Where? There you go. So we're going to take this guy down, we're going to drill him, and then we're going to pop him.
If we tape him down, don't want to get it too much of a paint.
And then we will put him back in.
Maybe make him straight might be easier.
Oh yeah, okay. We can make it. How's that?
So
just to line them up nicely. Where's yours? Yeah? Straight? Tape it down if we need to. Tape it down and then we'll draw.
Yeah.
Yeah, you happy?
Maybe just like 4 corners and then just go for it.
Go to town.
Yeah.
Tape it in place to avoid shifting. I like your style. That's. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Do it. Don't do it. Oh no, what have I done? What have I done? Oh, no,
that's not right.
That's not right. Do it again.
Do it again. Drill it again.
What's it they say? Mark it 10 times, drill it 5.
No, that's not. Man, it looks a lot better with the lid on, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Thank you. What do you guys reckon? You like it with the lid on or the lid on?
I reckon lid on.
What kind of material did you print it out of, Richie?
Yeah, so most of it's printed in PLA Pro. Some parts were printed in like this back piece here with PETG.
PETG on the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some were with the D1 Ceramoon and majority of them with the KT. Looks like it's gonna skip across the top of the water. That's the idea. Yeah, that's the idea. Glass smooth.
Hopefully.
Maybe.
Yeah, we might give it a bit of wax on, wax off. Like Mr. Miyagi said.
Okay, so you got that job?
Or what we could do is we could do what they did in that classic Christmas movie. I can't remember which one it was called. They put Teflon coated. Yeah, Archie Boggins. We could put Teflon.
Christmas of the Cranks.
No, that's not right. Okay, so we'll straight. No, that's fine. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put some holes in the motor.
Oh, no, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go. Hopefully we don't make a mistake. Good luck, Richard.
So it's actually quite fat, the walls like that.
In some
like
places.
all the way along.
Some places.
Some places. We're going on some places. Let's get it down. Okay, so what do you reckon?
Well, when you draw the first one, what do you reckon? So you can see there's the bolt.
Yeah.
Scary. Yeah, sure. You don't want to draw again. Yeah.
What do you reckon? Like there?
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
You're happy there? What do you guys reckon?
Well, what I'll do is I'll go down to a small size.
Oh,
Why not? And then I'll go up to that actual size.
Chicken licking, you reckon?
Yeah.
Chicken it. Chicken better.
Okay, cool. Okay, so what do you reckon at the back here, like there? What do you reckon about there? Go. Probably, I think we'll do is we'll put maybe a bolt each side, bolt up here, and then probably a bolt in the middle somewhere about there and there is what I'm thinking. For now, we might have to add some more later on, but for now, that's what I think we'll do. Okay. Yeah. Well, can't go back now. There's a hole. What have we done? I've put a hole in it. That'll be fun. I reckon. Sure. Well, who knows? Hopefully we got it right. Well, sounds good. Right, can you mark it? Try and get those relatively straight. Yep. The pencil? Yep. Across there. About there. No. We'll try and go closer to the edge than with it. Yeah. Okay, that's one hole in. Yeah. What you're gonna do, you'll put 2 holes in the back, and then we're gonna put these in their bolt. And then I think about 6 bolts. You're gonna do all the holes, and then, or I guess, yeah, we'll do that. There you go. No going back now. No going back. So there you go, which is hard out with the drill. It's always an interesting one. Yeah, good. There you go. Okay, so we can mark up the next one, or are you going to just go straight in? I was just going to put the bolt in there. Just to see if it fits. No. I'll put the bolt in there, so then that doesn't move. Oh, just to make sure. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. There's 2 holes I can't take it. So you're going to countersink on the roof, or what's the deal? Yeah. Yeah. Cool. That's pretty cool. Very cool. Hope you guys are enjoying it. There you go. So, okay. You shot another hole? Yeah, we can do. All right. Okay, do you want to drill here? Oh, no. We can't go here, but we can go here. What do you reckon about there? What do you reckon? We don't want to hit that pipe, so maybe just go back here somewhere. Yeah. What do you reckon about there? Maybe not that joint. Maybe back a bit. This would be a perfect project for brass heated inserts. Yes, absolutely. Only downside is we don't have any. Where do you even get our brass inserts anyway? We can never find them in the shop. So hopefully you have a better supply than we do on that one. Hopefully about there. What do you reckon? Yeah.
Or maybe back. Nope, we're going to go back. Okay, there you go. It's 19 now. So we're going to go do change that guy out. Oh, AliExpress. That's where you get them. All right. Good thought of that. Well, it says you can get a box of them with multiple threads sizes pretty cheap. Sounds like a good idea. What are they called? Thread inserts. That's where you get them from. AliExpress. All right.
Probably save some time, wouldn't it?
Probably would. How far did you go down?
Just far enough. You give it a hole, you drill it later properly.
Yeah, got it. Cool. And I'll swap that out to a smaller gun. Oops. Strange, what did it? On the left hand side.
Oh, okay, the seam. Oh, better now than in the water.
This one. Alright, there you go. So we've done one side and then kind of gives it like an industrial look, which I like. I'm liking.
Yeah.
19, right? I think it was 19. I don't want to get it wrong. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
It says it would save a little time, but would also not need to drill through the bottom part of the boat. Yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah. Sounds like a good idea. Sounds like we need to invest in that. Yes. Yep. Luckily, we're not going too far in. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
And it was good to see the boat the floating and the motor spinning. It was cool. Yeah. That was pretty cool to see that. Been waiting quite a while to test that with you guys, so I was happy to share that with you.
Fair enough.
Sure.
Yeah.
So there.
Yeah, good. That's probably good. Yeah.
I would have given a mark either way. We can always redo it a little bit more when we take the lid back on. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we reckon 2 more. How many we got? I think it was 6. I believe.
Yeah, there's 3 left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Okay.
What's the stuff up the front?
Did you model the boat? Did you model the boat or download a model? No, we designed all our own designs. Yep, for sure. So, yeah, but we did take lots of the styling points from watching Miami Vice. That's where we kind of got our inspiration from. But we didn't actually model after a particular boat. We just like that look. We went with the flow of it. Yeah. Awesome. It looks good. Thank you kindly. Thank you. I think it's a little high. I had it up because I was standing up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So we'll bring the camera down. But yes, it's our own design. Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
A little drill bit.
Yeah. Yeah, it took a little while to design up in CAD, but we eventually got there, and yeah, I guess that was our first boat design. And
yeah, it was. This is our first boat design
in software. Yeah.
Yeah. What are you reckon about there? Bit right there.
Yeah. Where do you want to get back? Oh, to that now. Never here. Back up. Again. Oh, we'll do that anymore.
That way we're consistent. It's not consistent. Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully it goes quick. I mean, it did look cool on the pond, but hopefully it goes quick in real life. Something like that, yeah. Okay. Swap this guy over.
The last one.
So what did we do on live stream last week, Richard?
I can't remember. What did we do? So much.
Micro
Microtalent. Oh, that's right. We rebuilt them, the microtalent after a exciting live stream of an attempt.
Apparently, the dolphin jumping time reinforced the cap. Time to reinforce the can. Yeah, you know.
Yeah. Up here.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yes, should be good.
That's not a. That's the mark.
You good?
Yeah.
You right?
Yeah.
You didn't wash it?
No, I'm right. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so theoretically,
So what? We take that. We just take the whole cabin off, right?
yeah. And we'll
So
see.
you can start taking the tape off.
Take the tape off.
Yeah. All good.
Enough. You take the tape off. Just keep up there. What are you doing? Taking the box off?
Yeah.
And what's coming up on a live stream
What's coming
next week? What's coming up on live stream next week?
So next week, that's right. So next week is a live stream interview chat with one of the top cinematic FPV drone designers.
Yes, so we're going to be talking to Milford from KD Drones. So that's going to be pretty cool, and that'll be pretty cool. It'll be a slightly different time from the normal time around about now. It'll be in the morning, 9 a.m. Is it on Friday next week?
Yeah.
So that's New Zealand time. Yes. So a little bit different time, but
yeah.
Hopefully you can make it. Appreciate
That's right.
it.
Yeah. So that it's all. The reason why we're talking to him is because next week on Tuesday it all lines up, because on Tuesday we are unboxing, reviewing, and testing the KD7 of the KD Drones frame.
Yes,
so,
it's a
Cine lifter, and I believe it's a 7-inch.
yes.
Super modular. You can do traditionally in say normal copters. There's 4 motors, 4 propellers. This one has optional placement for both 4 or 8 configuration.
Yes.
To lift your Komodo cameras,
high-end cameras, yes.
or Sony cameras, or Blackmagic.
But we'll
nature.
deep dive all into that into the live stream and on the episode. Yeah. Next week. So it'll be exciting.
Yeah,
and
obviously I'm getting to talk to Milford in person, and then getting the his rundown on what is happening. It's good.
I'm going to pop that over there temporarily. Yeah, so we've all got marks everywhere, so that's good. What about you? Do you want to do that?
These are here. Are they all good?
Yeah. Got one there. Where's that one? Did we miss one? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing one.
No.
Oh, I don't think
Did it go through? They didn't really go through.
it didn't go through. There you go. So we're okay. So what we'll do is we'll
I'll put the bolts in.
put the bolt in, and then
So just one.
just one didn't go through. So we've all got marked here, 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 here. I'll just turn it so you can see. You can see. Oh, there's one. And there.
And there, and there.
And there. And there. But we missed this one. So we'll put the camera back on. Just maybe we'll put like a bolt, a bolt to stand in, so we don't get it wrong. Maybe I didn't push it on down hard enough. You know. Pop it back in the drill. Yeah. It's good. Still enough water there.
Look, it's good there.
Okay.
Well, look. That's the end of it.
So line these up, and then we'll put the bolts, heat sink them down, and it'll look good.
Okay, so it's those ones now.
You got some bolts in there? We just line these up and then just drill this one.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you just join us now, we are just working on the 3D printed powerboat. We've done some, we did an episode, I think it was not last week, the week before, about this bad boy, and now we're just continuing on with the build to get it done. So we thought it would be, rather than just us doing it in our own time, we thought we'd include it in a live stream.
Hey, hopefully that did it. That bolt out there. Cool. There you go. Yes. Yes, we made it through.
Awesome.
Awesome. Okay, do you want to put that one over there? Put it out of the way, and then we'll put these fellas in, and then there you go. So we made that one. Oops, there's better. That one there. That's the one that we were struggling with.
Okay, so
what do you want to do? Do you want to put it in the bolts? And then
we need to
heat sink them in?
Heat sink them in. Yeah. We need to drill them a bit wider first, or you're just going to pop it in and then re-drill the centers if we need to. We might do that. How's the hot rod? Is it good?
Yeah, it's been heating up the whole time.
Okay, so grab a nut.
What do you want to do?
Start with one of yours. Yeah. Start with, yeah. Just start somewhere.
So we'll just do it like you, I think Rick was saying before, yeah, with the heat sinks, but we just do it with the nut.
Yeah. Yeah. Use what you got, right? So I'll go and get some filament to fill up. I just pushed it on flat. It takes a little while to heat up.
Yeah, but we might have to drill it again, but we'll find out. But it's definitely heating up now. And we just generally push that down to the surface, and then you get it flat.
Yeah. We use to help us out today. We're just going to use this PETG, which is recycled.
Good for the environment.
PETG. So we're just going to use that. It says that help us out with the what Harry's doing with the counter sink. Because it's not as good as ones that Rick was talking about.
They're just bolts.
They're just bolts, yeah. You know, what do you expect?
I'm doing the best I can.
Yeah. So that'll work, and it takes a little while for it to heat up, but yeah, whatever works. That's right. That's the right word.
But it's going down. There you go.
Oh, that's pretty good. You can see it.
Yep, turn over. Yeah, can you see that one?
Yeah, maybe like that, and then I'll roll them up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You good? Yeah. And you're going to put a little bit around it as well? Yeah.
We will do. I just like go down a bit.
Cool.
Right, what do you reckon?
Yeah, so yeah, it just gives us an excuse to work on this boat today. So thanks very much for joining us.
Yeah, there you go.
We actually did have another RC boat.
Yeah, where is it?
Years and years ago.
Might be hiding. Hang on. Might be. Whatever works. That's the one. Yeah, cheers.
Nice to get.
So
He was slightly different. I couldn't. He was. I could see him, but he's a bit hard to find in the background. So he was. He wasn't 3D printed. It was just. We were so high school. No, primary school. We were doing. The last time we did an RC boat design. So that was with balsa wood. We just used a design that came from a library book, I believe. And we just got it enlarged and yeah, just pinned it straight into the cork flooring. So yeah, thanks to our
mum didn't mind.
Yeah, mum didn't mind. Just
thanks, Mum.
Just bit of glam wrap and then the design and then just straight into the floor.
Pin it to the ground. Oh,
pin it to the ground and.
Hang on,
yeah,
I'll get a colder one.
And then the boat was made.
I get a bit hard there. Just make it a little bit harder so I can't quite get it.
There you go.
Thanks.
Yes. What about full-size boats? I know Nick has a full-size boat. Have you ever? Has anybody built their own RC boat or full-size boat? Yeah, of any kind. Yeah, that would be a question that we'll send out.
Boats, yes.
Yeah. So whether it's a dinghy, a sailboat, or anything, just yeah. I know that on the channel last year we did a land boat.
Land yacht.
Land sailor. I'm never actually sure what it's actually supposed to be called.
Land yacht? Land
boat that can fly,
sails, you can grab it.
Sails on the land.
But we had a spinnaker, so that was our idea. Put a spinnaker on it. Which is just going to go and grab him. I can see him in the background. Can you get him? Any luck? Since we're talking boats, might as well bring out a boat. Dun, 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 dun. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
He's still intact. He survived that storm that we had him in.
Yeah.
We took him out. I think on the episode we took him out in a 45-knot wind storm. The main roads at the time were shut. Or the bridge, the Auckland Harbour Bridge was closed that day because there was too high wind. So
we thought it was a good idea to take him out of that.
Yeah, and go and chase him with a drone. There you go.
So yeah, so he uses I'll bring it closer so you can see. Not hit anything, but yeah, so he's got a servo for the rudder, steering as it were, and then he's got another one to tighten up the mainsail, and then the spinnaker's got its own servo at the front of here for the release mechanism of that.
So yeah, you just flip that switch, and kind of interesting the bungee that you can see on there.
Yeah, the bungee here. Yeah,
it just pulls that chute.
And releases it, and then the spinnaker opens. And off you go.
One-way shot.
Yeah. I'll put that back.
Yeah, just put it in. Put back there. But yes, as Richard was showing you the land yacht, I was working on these guys, so that's good. Going in. We've got 2 in so far, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. Go and check to see what this guy's doing in the background.
Yeah, can't wait to see that guy finish.
Yes,
he's got another one to go that will go for a couple of days, but that's nearly there. It's exciting. It's exciting though. Yeah.
Like start carrying together.
Yeah.
Tap, 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 tap. Okay, cool. And then how many more? Can you grab another bolt? Nut out of this one? Okay. So we're getting there. Yeah, so we just put these in, and then what do you reckon? We'll put like a bead of glue down, and then I think.
Where do you think you'll put the bead of glue?
You guys reckon on the inside of the bolts, or the outside of the bolts?
I'm thinking that the inside of the bolt. Like go around each. You go like a little bead along here, and then go around them.
Okay, we could do that.
Or I guess you could do it on the outside, because then nothing gets in at all. Right? That way you don't have anything inside the hull. Right?
Yeah. Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. That's what we do.
Rick says, this summer I made an RC kayak. Oh, sweet. That's a great idea. How big was it?
Was it full size? Was it a full man kayak, or was it a small RC kayak? And if so, does he paddle himself?
14 foot. Oh, okay, that's pretty big. Nice.
Did you have like a little man that does the arms,
or did you go like electric powered?
Yeah, like a little propeller on the
I'd
back.
probably do it with the electric power.
Yeah. It'd probably be more efficient with the propeller, right? Because I know they have like a little electric motor on the back.
Gearbox.
Gearbox on the back, right?
Oh yeah, those ones. Yeah, but I could theoretically make a gearbox that worked as it.
You mean like a peddler? It was a real kayak with an electric trolling.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Very cool. That's a great idea.
How did you do the steering mechanism? Did you obviously attaching to the original motor, right? Electric motor. Be interesting to see how you did. Did you do it with like pulleys, like a pulley system with ropes, or did you do it more like a 3D printed design, or a bit of aluminium, or you used an ESC and 3D printed a mount with live servo? Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Very cool.
Because some of the ESC, the servos, they can pull quite a lot of weight. Like I remember seeing one once that said it could pull like 64 kgs or something. But I think you couldn't run it off 5 volts there. I think you had to be run like separately. Like it's basically a battery structure.
Very cool. They do make some big ones out there.
Yeah. Is that cool?
Yeah. I think they use some quite big ones on
stranded up.
Yeah. On robot walls and those sorts of things.
Oh, so battle bots would be an American version. I used a 12-volt battery. Yeah. That's it.
Nice. Oops, there you go. So bring it around yours.
I was actually trying to think when you said 12-volt battery. I was thinking years ago in school we did. I'm not sure. Not sure if they ever did it in other countries, but in New Zealand we did a thing called Science Fair. Ironically, we actually ended up being on a TV show as well for inventing stuff. It was called Let's Get Inventing.
So troll the internet somewhere, we'll be there.
We'll be there as Let's Get
a younger version of it.
Yeah. So we'd be like, what? I think we were high school at the time, right? Yeah, high school. Yeah. And they actually they came here, so it was in this workshop, this very workshop.
Let's get another one. Does that cool down? Yes. So that's our claim to fame right there.
Yeah. I think it featured on Granny and Grandad in it too.
Yeah,
it's cool.
I'll draw it out a little bit while you do that.
Which one? The internal part. Yeah.
What are you going to do? Just drop it down to a bit of so.
But yeah, so 12-volt battery was because the device that we're using required a 12-volt battery. It's the reason it's my goal later is to make the kayak autonomous. Yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
We agree. We concur.
Are you gonna do it with iNav, ardupilot, or some other? Like it could do Pix 4 as well, or you could do. There's lots of options. Yeah. I guess, not sure yet. Still gathering info and learning the aspects. Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah.
This one will be running ardupilot. Alex says, how's it going? Cheers, brother. Thanks for joining in, and things are going good.
Yeah.
Yes.
We did it, so earlier on, we did a test in the pond.
Yeah.
And the motor checked out, and we got full thrust. I don't know if we went full thrust.
No, we
maybe
were
like
quarter fill.
No more than 40%, otherwise it'd blast everywhere. And that was successful, and we got the water cooling ESCs working correctly.
And what else did we do? We got the rudder all linked up correctly. And what we're doing now is we're just putting some improvised heat sinks in
to do the hatch.
To do the hatches, yeah.
And how fast will it be going? Eh?
How fast? What was the calculation? 75?
Around the sort of 70s kilometers an hour.
75 kilometers an hour.
And we'll be doing it
autonomously.
We were doing it autonomously, so yeah, that'll help out Rick's design for his kayak as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's cool. Yeah. So I think we'll be using ardeboat or ardupilot, same thing.
Audi. Yeah, that's us.
But
Have you
yeah.
got a different controller?
Which one do you got? What size?
Yeah. This one's too big. Maybe
so like Goldilocks.
Sure.
Yeah, so around sort of 70 kilometers an hour is what we'll be sort of aiming at, and hopefully
it'll be one of the fastest autonomous boats in the water.
Yeah.
That's what we want. Yeah.
So HNI doing racing checks, yeah. We're not going to do it slow, are we?
No, try not to. Yeah, so we've got a couple of missions already planned for it. And yes, it'll be quite good just to go
hit that send button and just go for it.
So that's the plan. It's the blow off valve.
You check all those bolts are lined up, the nuts and stuff.
Hope so. We have to do that. We can always adjust.
Maybe do that afterwards.
Yeah.
That can take a while.
Yeah.
The boring stuff.
Yeah. We'll just see the fun stuff, and then what people want to see anyway. You want to see the fun stuff anyway, right? Make it stuff.
And the other boat that we made that was 3D printed was quite early on in our YouTube career, was a 3D printed submarine. So yeah, you can go and check out that link. It's on the channel.
Yeah, and also we did a live stream on it earlier, last year, I think. Yeah, we just we had it in the pond as well, and then
that's radio controlled as well. So yeah,
it can dive. It's a little bit heavy to get out at the moment, but yes, it's based on a Russian Bory class submarine, but with one. We can grab one. Well, I better get it. Hang on, I'll bring it over.
Since we're talking about boats.
Since we're talking about boats, fine.
That one doesn't go particularly fast because all the water's got pushed up.
But it is brushed.
But it is a brush motor. So.
Those two things, it's probably going quite good.
Yeah. But yeah, it dives and goes up and down, and rudder works, and dive planes work, and yeah, it's cool. Yeah, she is.
Okay, there she is. She's heavy. So it's pretty much solid lead. Yeah, hang on. Just turn my hand around so you can see. Yeah, there you go. There you go, you can see them. So yeah, cheers. Yeah. Can you tilt that camera up a little bit, Richard, so you can see a bit better? Don't put too much heat in it, Richard. On that spot, it'll just keep sinking down. Just let it cool off there a little bit. Okay, so this guy here is we put a face on him. People suggested on live stream that we should put a face on our aircraft. I think a micro-talon, which was a great suggestion. Well, there you go. We put one on the submarine. There you go. Bori class submarine, 3D printed nose. He was made on the Ender 3, and the top sail. That's what you call on a submarine. Can you point to the sail? I can't. Just point. So that's the sail, and at the back, this is all 3D printed as well, including the rudder and dive planes. It's real cool. Cheers, man. Thank you. If you want to check out that episode, it's one of our earlier episodes we made on the channel last year.
Yeah, and we've also got on live stream.
Yeah, and live stream as well. We did do an episode on live stream. But yes, it is made in PLA. What can I say? It made it all in one print on the nose, one on the sail, and one on the rudder. But I think the rudder we had to cut it off and then cut one plane off.
Oh yeah.
But if you do look really carefully, hang on. That cheese on me. There you go. Look really carefully, you can see that the hinges are made in house. So when we designed it so all the hinges and flaps and everything, it's all done. Once the print's done, it's all done.
Yeah. So it was another design that we made with CAD design.
Yeah, and also it can submerge. It goes forward and backwards, dives and arises as well. And when we want on a switch, and the type of remote control that we use is old school. Was it like
old
400? What was
old school crystal?
Old school crystal radio, so you can get that extra penetration into the water, so you don't have to have an antenna sticking out the top. You get that sweet penetration, and yeah, they do that on the 2.4 gigahertz. You can't get that far. You can get far, but not as far as
no, 2.4 is only like 30, like 30 centimeters or 2 centimeters. It's very low.
Very low. It hits the surface of the water and bounces off.
Whereas this, if you use a crystal radio, you can go down to like what? So like
5 meters, I think.
Yeah, something like that. In fresh water, salt water, I think you're limited to about a meter.
Oh, no, 2 meters. 2 meters. Yeah. But there you go. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Because do be made on channel.
Yeah.
I'll put it back, mention.
Yeah, it's quite heavy.
It's very heavy. Quite a lot of lead.
So I'm just working through these heat sinks here. Well, at least our makeshift heat sinks that I'll get the job done. Not necessarily the prettiest, but we'll get it done. But yeah, the submarine's pretty cool. We're gonna take it out more. I think we're gonna do another
Gonna do another mission on it. I think that would be quite nice. And yes, it's got a pump inside, and when you flick that switch, it reverses and pumps some water into the tank in the middle, and then when you flick the switch, it pumps it out.
Yeah, so it's got a ballast tank inside, and I think we use 3D printing to
even out. So water displacement, as you all know, is kind of a hard one to. Right? Yeah, I can get out of the way. Yeah, it's always a tricky one, and when you're playing with water, you want it to be even. But if you're diving, how do you get it even? So, Tobias says, "Yo, cheers, brother! Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.
Thank you, and we appreciate it."
Yeah. So with the
I posted a link, but not sure if YouTube let it through. Oh, there lost my friend, but no, but thanks for trying. That's the main thing.
We didn't see the link at this point, but that's all right. It might save it for later on. We'll go and check it out then.
Yeah. Or otherwise, just send it. How else would you better send it? Would you better send it just as a message on YouTube? That's another one.
Oh, as a comment. You might be able to do it as a comment, or just on Instagram or something.
Yeah, or some other way. But we'd like to check it out for sure. But I didn't see the link. No, it's cool.
Yeah, well, thanks for trying.
Yeah, for sure. And we're just going around and just putting in some little extra parts. And I'll go and get that drill again.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we're making some headway on this project.
Yeah.
So it's cool, yeah. So yeah, the submarine kind of stuff's pretty cool.
Kind of rare. You don't see too many people doing RC submarines, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're quite cool in their own way. Like there's different ways you can do it, like in terms of diving, that is. So ours uses obviously the ballast tank kind of system. And once it breaches the surface, it reverses the motors, reverse and suck in air into the tank and reverse it from water, so it sucks it out. You can do other systems where you like kind of like ROV kind of stuff, where you just use thrusters to push yourself down. That's kind of cool as well.
Yeah, we haven't done that on the channel yet, so if you want to see that, yeah, just let us know.
Yeah, and then there's other versions where people use something like they call it like a compressed air.
Oh yeah,
it's like a hybrid between the two, and that's another good system as well. So obviously you can only do it so many times before you run out of the tank blast. But
depending on what it could be, whatever material you could be using, you could use oxygen and
CO2, was it? I think it was a CO2.
Yeah, CO2. I'm pretty sure.
So it's effectively a bit like a diver's tank inside the submarine.
Inside the submarine, because it's all miniature, so you got to come up with some solution to fit inside the tank.
Yeah.
There you go, have that. Keep that out there. There you go, it's coming together, guys. It's coming together. So, where's my bolts? Me bolts, there we go. Where's my screwdriver? You got a screwdriver then?
Yep.
No screwdriver.
Yeah, so there's lots of different options, different type boats out there, or other RC inventions and stuff, creations. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, for sure. The best part is when you make it yourself. Yeah. There you go. So we're just trying to line these bolts up over here. What are you doing?
So just work on that last one. The very last one. And then what? Put some of that glue down when we're done. At least for this one. You think?
What's that, sir?
Put some of that glue down, and then maybe call it quits.
Yeah.
Let that glue dry and.
Yeah.
Don't want to like play around with it too much after that.
No. There you go. It's coming together. Okay.
Oh, yeah. That's fine. It's hard to get done.
Thank you.
The length's a bit short.
Yeah, a little bit short.
It's cool.
There you go. So we're getting together. So guys, smash that like if you haven't, folks. These guys work hard on their content. Cheers, man. Thanks a lot. Thank you. And we do try our best. Yes, we're always trying our best. But yeah, we try and get yeah, no, we do quite a bit on different platforms. So if
yeah, it's cool.
We try and cover all the bases. But yes, we do like YouTube the best for sure.
Yeah, YouTube.
But we try and give like a variety of different content throughout the different ones. So say something on Instagram, get some different stuff to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, there's always across. There is always obviously similarities. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Cool. Just spin the motors over at the end.
Yes. So yeah.
Okay, so that's cool. How are you doing over that last one?
So it's kind of been annoying.
There's always one.
This guy's very irritating, this one. So yes.
No, I'm pleased with how the motors are running today, so it's good.
Yeah, we hadn't tested that before. So.
No.
Also, it's always a bit interesting when it goes to live stream. You don't you don't know if you did this right or you're going to do that right. So it's always exciting from this point of view, looking in. Is it weird?
Yeah, from our point of view.
Pull up the soldering iron.
You done?
Yeah.
You're going to put a little bit of solder on it?
Oh, yeah. Filament? Yeah. I'll do it on my left hand. It's a right here. Yeah. Okay. So what are you going to use for glue?
Sealant.
Sealant glue?
Are you going to use...
Oh, there's some glue there on the left.
You're going to use that black stuff? Or?
What did Rick use when he was doing his kayak? What kind of glue did he use?
Rick says, depending on the thread size, I bet you could cut the head of the bolt and replace the tip of your iron with the threaded part. And you could put the nut of the thread and press it into the plastic. Yeah. So we'll have to do that next time.
Thanks,
That's
man.
a good idea, yeah.
Great tip. Cheers.
Yeah.
There you go. Thanks, man.
Yeah,
cheers.
I just reread it to make sure I memorize that.
It's a good tip.
Yeah, so it's just, I just worked on the last bolt. And yeah, normally with smaller bolts, it's quite easy. Just hold it on and go straight in. But with the bigger stuff, it takes a little bit of extra time. So yeah, maybe we'll do that trick next time. Good tip. Okay, so you're finishing up there, so that's good. And
what do you reckon? Get some glue out?
what kind of glue?
Well, there's some Sally's all clear.
Sally's all clear. Oh, you got the black stuff?
Which black stuff?
You know, the stuff.
Do we have enough though? We have enough.
We're going to have a look.
It's like window sealant. Yeah, it's going good. There you go. So it's going together, and yeah, it should be kind of interesting. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy it. Jeez. Okay, we'll just use this Sally's all clear. That'll be right. No.
So have you tried this? We tried the other
Can
day.
you unplug this one? That way we don't burn ourselves. Okay, cheers.
So, could you get any out last one?
Aye.
Getting out of this last one?
I think so. Oh, that little one. No.
That's fine.
That one, no. We might be able to. You know, we could be in luck. So there you go. Then once we've glued that section, what do you guys reckon? Run the motor, give the motor a run, show you that's working. Yeah, that'll be pretty good, eh? Yeah, if we can get the glue working, it's the next problem. That's looking all right.
Yeah, I got that.
Is it working?
Yeah, I think so. Do you have a nozzle? That one's the thing. Use this one.
Yep, try it. So yeah, we've got some. Yes, we've got some quite big builds coming to you guys shortly, and you can see in the background the K2 Plus working on a big one there. He's been working for how many days? I think he finishes tomorrow. Yeah, he finishes tomorrow. Yes, so he'll be finished, and then we've got one giant, maybe another 2-day print on him to get him up to, and we can up to the standard, and then we can maybe start assembling for that one. So that's going to be cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully you haven't. I don't think you've seen that sort of thing before, so I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah,
looking forward to it, and it's our own design too, which is always good. Yeah, like this one. But yes, if we didn't show you before, we put 3D printed PETG motor mount that we made, and yeah, it's kind of interesting. And then this is all PLA and PETG.
PLA, bro.
But the motor mount, we did make sure that we did it in 100%. Or close to it.
We're going to get the check. Yeah.
There you go. So there you go. We're going to use some storm sealant. I guess the theory is that if it can fix holes in the roof, why can't I do this job? Tobias says, looking good for sure so far. Cheers, man. Good. Feel good?
Yeah. I'll go get some gloves.
Yeah, just in case.
This direction.
There you go. Look at him go, eh? No, yeah. So why does that have to drink? Yes. That's coming along.
Hey, you want to check to see if it's coming out?
Hopefully it does. And then we'll put like one good bead down. This is the idea.
Yeah. Check it comes out.
Let's check it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should be.
Yeah. Not going for the nozzle. Yeah, it's not working. So, there you go. You can work on that. There you go. Yes. So good. So give an hour or two now. It's a bit bunged up, I guess. Yeah, so we've done quite a few different builds on the channel. Any other, what's the highlights for you, Richard? What's one for you? Rocket helicopter. That was pretty cool. That was a couple of weeks ago, and I think it was a world's first, which is always good. I hadn't seen it before. So yeah, we strapped FPV camera to a helicopter that we'd made on the show, and we built two broken helicopters and made one flying helicopter on the series. And then we put we put a rocket motor. I think it was an A-class motor. Yes, and give it a bit of a kick in the air, and then away she went. And man, did it was a hard one to fly. Yes, it was kind of like in the air. The
once you hit the rocket.
Once you hit that ignition, it was flying like there was no tomorrow. It was very cool, and then it worked perfectly. Went around in an nice arc like that, and then it does that. All rocket motors do a reverse explosion. We designed it in a way so it would kick the rocket motor out and eject the incendiary out of the helicopter, so we could carry on the flight. But yes, use the other glare. Okay. That'd be right. Nobody says the internal anyway. So, yeah. But yes, well, while Rich does that, yes. What are your highlights? Do you have any highlights on the channel? Hopefully you do. Any luck? We have luck? Yes, we have luck. All right. Oh, you got luck? Oh, you do. Sorry.
Okay, so how are we going to do this?
What do you reckon? Just go along. We just wipe it off if it's not
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe add like along here.
Then just start here, make it easy. Oh, it's clear. I think you said it was white. Take your time. Slow as fast in this game. You just put a kind of even layer down just to make sure that the when the lid goes down, we have try and keep that water out. If it goes over a wave or something, don't really want water in there.
Not particularly. No.
And that one we went on the left hand side, you see the bigger around.
Yeah.
Check it around. I can't do it on the right hand side. Oh, Rex says I just sent you an email. Well, that's nice. With a link to a quick video of the RCK. Well, check it out, my man. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks for that. Maybe not right at this moment.
But we'll check it out.
Yeah.
Sounds like an amazing project.
It does. It's great.
Doesn't smell that nice. So we'll keep in a well ventilated area. When it's dry. Maybe you can come along that edge into that on this
Go
side.
double edge it. Go back on that too.
Yeah, okay. Just keep away from that edge. Too much. Yeah, sorry. And then on this side too.
Yeah. Thanks.
No problem. This kind of looks like it's got some sort of fiber in the glue, doesn't it?
Mm.
Gives it rigidity, I guess.
Yeah.
Doesn't quite look just like the normal glue, does it?
Yeah. So when you go along the back?
Well, I was thinking along this edge, on there.
Okay.
But do you think it'll stay there, or do you think?
Why not?
We could be hopeful, can't we? Hang on. Just tune it so you can see. Oh, no, you can see. You can see.
Can be oddly optimistic again.
You can. Always be hopeful.
Look at that.
It's like I bought one.
Yes. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, I can't complain with it.
No holes?
I don't think so.
It'll help it a bit. It won't stop it completely, obviously. But maybe a little bit over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's probably good enough.
No, that's it. It's all good. Maybe at the front, perhaps.
Front? Here.
Yeah. There you go. So the gluing is going down.
Yeah.
And then what do you reckon? Do the same with the other side?
No.
No?
No.
No what?
No, I didn't just didn't. Because otherwise it'd be like glue everywhere. Or do you need to go rubber to rubber? Because otherwise it's a flat surface, isn't it?
What do you reckon? Rubber, or the rubber on the top as well?
I think just have it flat and then
Just
it
have
can
it
crush
flat?
up on it.
Just use that gravity to throw.
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you want to do with the tops of them? Do you want to heat sink them down? Or just screw them into it?
I mean, you can kind of see it.
Yeah, we didn't need to cover that on the live stream. But yes, we'll do that later on. So what do you reckon? Just let that tack off? and we can sit here and watch that. No, we'll start the motors up. I think you guys have deserved that treat. Oh, I want to see the motors run again. Don't you want to see them run again, Richard?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. So that's what we'll do. We'll So we'll run the motors again, and then we'll sign out it. What do you reckon?
We just sign. Maybe don't go back to the pond just because it's a bit wet. We just
Yeah.
want that glue to dry.
Yeah, we want to get that glue to dry, and then if we took it back there, I think, yeah.
What's the chance of like breaking it?
Yeah. Okay, so that's what we'll do. So yeah, so we'll let the glue dry, and we'll run the motors again. That's what we'll do. We'll just spin them up here so you guys can check them out. I think I want to see that again. That'd be cool. All right. Move that away. Look. Put that over there. Perhaps that's out of the way. And you can see the motor there, can't we? Yeah, you can see it.
Done. Okay, that's good.
So yeah, if you want to see the, I think that would be the smart decision. If we go back to the pond, I think, yeah.
Yeah.
Rick says, yeah, let's watch glue dry. Yeah. Yeah. So what we do is we'll spool it up here on the bench.
Definitely a distinctive smell. That's good.
Yes, it's got an interesting odor.
Yeah.
Not too nice. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll spool it up here, give you guys a little sneak peek of what's to come when we go fully autonomous, and then yeah, and then I think that might be enough for live stream. What do you guys reckon?
Sounds pretty good. I think we can solid.
Rick gave a smiley face and the LOL. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, we need a motor, and that way we try and do it so we don't get the glue all on.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you did it, Lassie. You did it. So we're using just a standard, what is it? 1300 LiPo.
From LEOPARD.
LEOPARD, yes. It's a 4S, this one, but the system can run on the 3S, but why would you go on 3S when you've got 4S? You don't go down in power.
You never go down in power.
No, way.
Never.
Okay, so what do you reckon? Plug it in first,
Yeah,
or do you
see where the problem is?
Can you see the problem? Can you see the problem?
Yeah, you can see.
You can see it. If I stand there, yeah, you can see it.
Okay.
My issue. Oh, well, you do the control and I'll do the plugging in.
Okay, so I'll plug this in first, right?
Plug that one in first?
Yeah.
We'll put the checker in first.
Yeah.
Checker.
Okay, good.
And we'll plug this fella in here. Try and keep away from the glue and
Hang on.
the drive shaft.
Right.
Oh, it's running again. Oh, there you go. That's not going to work. But it's good to see it's working. That was you set that up.
Yeah, I planned it.
Wrong side. Wrong, this one. Okay. Yeah, all good. Positive in the middle. Yeah, you're good. And keep working the drive shaft. And then we'll spool it up. That's what we want to see. And like Richard would be saying, he'd be saying, thanks. We appreciate you guys all tuning in. We appreciate it.
Yeah, we'll
And, next week we'll be doing the interviewing the top FPV drone designer, Katie Drones. So yeah, they'll be on the channel, different time. So it will be in the morning for us, which will be Friday. Yes, it'll be Friday New Zealand time
at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. So wherever you are in the world, check it out.
You have to work it out.
We appreciate it.
Yeah. So we'll be talking to Milford. So that's pretty cool. And then so that's on the Friday, and then on the Tuesday we've got the episode.
Oh, this Tuesday. Yeah.
This Tuesday coming, so in a couple of days' time.
Yeah.
We're going to start the unboxing process for the brand new KD7, which is the FPV cinematic.
Lifter. Yes,
it
just came out, so we were lucky enough to have a look.
Yeah.
Check it out. One of the first out there. So go and look at it.
Yeah.
There you go. It only just came out. When did it come out?
Like Christmas.
Just after Christmas. So there you go. So there you go.
Yeah. Okay. Let's work it out. Okay. So motor time. Yeah.
Motor time. All right. Plug in. Nope. You get it one. Unplug it.
Yeah. Probably good.
Plug it in again. Let it think for a bit.
No.
Yeah.
It's a very distinct startup sequence. Let's go.
There you go again.
Try now.
Here we go. There's that one. Okay, so you should be able to see the propeller over here, where my hands are. Over here is where it is. There you go. Got me with the water.
No magic smoke. Yeah.
There you go. It's gone. Take over a bit. There you go. It's going. There you go. So yeah. So if you want to see the at the start of this live stream, that's not a boat. That's a blender. Yes, with a top speed of 75 kilometers an hour. I think you want to put your hand in there.
Yeah. But yeah, so it all worked out in the end.
So there you go.
That was quite good. We had to actually do a little bit of modification just before live stream, just to be able to show you in the water.
Yes.
We made that little gizmo up so we can power it, and then that way we'd be able to show it in the water. So yeah, so if you tune in on late, that's no worries. Just watch the rerun and just watch the first couple of minutes where we put it in the tank for the very first time, and we can say that it doesn't leak. There's no holes.
Yeah, so even though we've drilled a whole lot big holes for the drive shaft and things like that.
Yeah.
So there you go. That's it for us, and we'll grab the our little sign out thing. Yeah. And yes, we appreciate you all for tuning in, and we appreciate it very much. And we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday and on Friday. There you go. Tuesday for the episode and Friday for the live stream. Yeah, we'll just do it here. We got one. Oh, just sit down. All right, okay. More of a nonchalant.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. So yeah, so he's working on a project.
The background, yeah. So he's doing multicolor design. So yeah, stay tuned for that because that's going to be awesome.
Yes,
we can't wait for that. It's going to be really cool.
Yes, we've been working on it for quite a while,
and we just have to work out the amount of power to put on it.
Yes,
should we go excessive amount of power, or should we go mid range, or should we go light?
Yes, and Tobias says, no, guys, nothing but love. Cheers, brother. Okay, so we'll sign out. Thanks very much, and we'll see each other Tuesday. That needs to be a tune, isn't it? But that's okay. We won't worry about it. Okay. Okay, I'm Harry.
And I'm Richard.
And we'll see each other then. And 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
Welcome. I'm so used to saying welcome. So anyway, thank you very much. I'm Richard.
It.
This is Harry.
Yes.
And we have to thank all our sponsors.
And thank you.
Yeah, that's right.
Couldn't do without you. Rick says, peace out, brother. Cheers, man. Thank you.
See you guys.
See you, everyone.
See you Tuesday.
See you Tuesday. Adios.